Generator sets are meant for you to always have electricity, whatever happens. This means that problems with the electrical network will no longer be critical for you, given that you will be constantly backed up by an autonomous generation solution which is 100% effective. Relying on the backup of a generator set in your business allows you to forget about time and productivity losses supposed by power blackouts. When using an energy distribution solution such as a genset, you are no longer dependent on the limitations imposed by the infrastructure of the electrical network. This means more peace of mind and, most of all, more freedom when it comes to conceiving your business projects and letting them fly. Generator sets allow you to have a power supply in areas lacking an electrical network. Therefore, they eliminate obstacles when it comes to carrying out projects, and they contribute to the development of remote or disadvantaged areas. At present, the design of gensets is tailored to the client's needs and the feature of their projects. According to your requirements, you will be able to choose between engines using different fuels, between stationary or mobile generators, between hybrid and marine generators, as well as between different profiles of power delivery and of use. The consequences of a power outage go beyond the mere issue of productivity. A sudden blackout can cause severe damage to our devices and machinery, and this is something that can be avoided if we have the backup provided by an emergency genset. Many experts believe power plants constructed with reciprocating engines are the ideal complement to intermittent renewables. Recip plants are extremely flexible. Facilities can be sized for almost any use case. Engines are highly reliable, provide quick start and stop capability, and can be run on a variety of liquid and gaseous fuels. Units are very efficient, especially when incorporated into combined heat and power scheme over a wide range of loads, and plants are relatively low cost and can be built quickly with minimal risks of delay. Everyone in the power industry, and really in the world, is familiar with reciprocating engines. After all, they are what powers most vehicles that people drive or ride in every day. But reciprocating engines are not what comes to mind when most people think about electric power generation. The more typical power plant utilizes turbines to spin generators, driven by either steam or natural gas. In modern electricity generation, a generator is essentially a machine which converts physical force into electrical energy for use at an external circuit. The source of electrical force are steam turbines, gasoline turbines, electrical generators, solar and wind turbines, internal combustion engines, and biogas engines. Generators are used for commercial as well as residential purposes. Their design and functioning depend on the type of energy to be produced, the size of the generator, and the location where it is needed. Thanks for watching. Until next time.